Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Wix Premium Auto Renew. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you can see here my Wix dashboard. Now, what we can do is you can actually just head over and click on our specific logo icon right here. Now, from in there, you should be able to see this premium subscriptions. So just click on that. And then from in there, it will redirect you to the page wherein you can manage your subscription. Now, if you have any premium subscriptions, they will appear right here. Now, what you can do is you can actually just head over and click on the three dots that you can see on your specific screen if you have subscribed to it. Then just right click on this. And then from in there, you should be able to see the cancel plan that they have. So just cancel your plan. And once you have canceled your plan, your auto renew will be disabled. And that will actually allow you to not be connected to the Wix Premium subscription anymore. That is because if you cancel your subscription, you won't be able to auto renew it unless you manually click it yourself. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.